celebrate the mom in your life, here's our Hollywood Hot List of high-tech Mother's Day gifts. Moms just need to make their lives easier, and tech expert Andrea Smith is here with a few great gift ideas to keep us all ahead of the trends. Andrea, what is a great gift idea for a new or expecting mom?
Oh, great gift idea for a new mom is eyes in the back of their head, right? So you get one of these VTech Safe and Sound VM333 video baby monitors with pan and tilt. So using this parent unit, you can zoom in to get a close look at your baby, pan from side to side, or tilt the camera up and down. A couple of features I really like: it's got night vision, so you don't have to turn on the light and wake the baby. It's got a two-way intercom, so you can not only hear what's going on, you can use your voice to soothe, and a temperature sensor tells you if it's too hot or too cold in the room. One of these parent units can work with up to 4 cameras.
Wow, great way to stay connected as well as getting your rest. And what's a great idea for a busy mom?
Well, aside from sleep, what busy moms need most is battery power, right? They have their phones with them all day. The Incipio Off-Grid Shine battery case for iPhone 6 means mom doesn't have to go looking for a charger. This hard shell case not only protects the phone, it actually more than doubles the life of the battery. You simply press the button back here and it starts charging. I like that it's got this brushed aluminum design and it comes in 2 great colors. Great gift idea.
All right, where can we find out more on these great products?
You can get more information at killerapps.tv.